Christmas Stories is a new paper pad from our friends at Mintay, and I'm going to show you every single sheet. Now, to begin with, on the back of the first sheet, there are cutouts, and in total of this kit, there are 60 cutouts. Amazing. And you can trim them out. We really recommend you use the little 4.5-inch scissors. Just makes it so much easier. You don't have to cut exactly along each one. You can leave a little white edge, and that'll be perfect. Inside, you're going to get 2 of each sheet, and they are just beautiful. So here's the first one, and these are all, as I said, 12 by 12. Isn't that deer just absolutely precious? Okay. And here's the back side. Wood goes with kind of everything. So we have lanterns, we have poinsettias, we have pine cones, just lots of beautiful things. The back side tends to be an all-over pattern, as you can see, although this is another all-over pattern. And then we have the 25 Days of Christmas all ready for you, or you can use the background. And then we have these pieces, more cutouts. Again, in total, there are 60. You do get 2 of each sheet for a total of 12 by 12. And I thought that it just would look so good with our red brushed paper, the finely brushed. Isn't that gorgeous? Also, this has got doilies, so our doilies could go. Just lots of things to even further extend the Christmas Stories paper pack.